Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape. And as you can see, what we're doing, we're testing our drain box that deals with all the water that would have been falling to the path of least resistance on this landscape. We put in over 10 pallets of beautiful sod, and it allowed for us to be able to take the water that was moving on this landscape into a drain box. Now we're testing out this method, and you can see what's happening. The water releases itself off the drain box and then comes out of a pop-up that you see here that then slowly trickles itself through this landscape design, also focusing on being able to suck up that water as it would have been able to move. In addition, the water takes itself all the way down to this area here that you see and then lets itself off of the property. So when you talk about a marvel of engineering, it really does speak to the way in which we've been able to help this customer take back their landscape in an exceptional fashion. But that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping. Now, in addition to the beautiful custom dry creek bed, we also brought in this beautiful decorative gravel design that allowed for us to be able to deal with an area that had a tremendous amount of erosion because there was nothing but bare dirt. So we solved that by being able to bring in this 1 to 2 inch decorative gravel that allowed for us to not only be able to suck up the water, but also provide a solution to an area that was just getting beat up by the fact that it was exposed to bare dirt. Now, as you can see here, guys, what we did is we brought in over 10 pallets of the beautiful sod in order to be able to take the water that was moving on this landscape and appropriate it to the path of least resistance where it's going to go into this drain box. In addition, the water as well is going to continue to move throughout this landscape where we tied in over 200 foot of gutter downspout piping that allow for us to be able to give this customer a solution that's going to last a lifetime, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. All of the erosion that was once taking place on this landscape is no longer going to be the case. We even came back with a beautiful plant design on this landscape just to give this customer a little more than what she could have ever expected. We brought in over 150 bales of sod, and what that did for us, it allowed for us to be able to take this entire area that you're looking at and be able to ensure that not only did we have a proper grade so that the water would be able to fall to the drain box that I have over here, but also making sure that the water was able to fall to the drain box that we had over here. And so with both of these drain boxes being able to take in that water, it allowed for us to slow down and most importantly appropriate that water in the most effective fashion. And that's exactly what you got with this landscape design that brought in the beautiful sod along with the dry creek bed and the beautiful decorative gravel, as well as tying in over 200 foot of gutter downspout piping, all brought to you by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.